What we have to do tomorrow is not going to be influenced by what we had to do yesterday. That's a different market. Hey everybody, it's Greg Harrelson here, and I just wanted to share another tip on how we can get our business going. Change is happening, and it's already happened. I think all of us will agree the market is softer. Yes, there's less properties on the market. There's less buyers in the market. Yes, interest rates are up. More people are on the fence, causing there to be less sales in the marketplace. And I know that because throughout the Carolinas, I'm in just about every MLS that there is, and I can see the numbers. The market has changed. It's softer. I don't believe I'm telling you anything new right there. But the key is what I want to talk about is when the market changes, we must change. And I know you've heard that. But the question is, hearing it is not enough. When the market changes, we have to change. The only time the market shifts and impacts a real estate agent's production is when a market shifts, but the agent fails to shift with it. So a few things about making changes in our real estate business right now. I got a few rules that I want to share with you. Number one is keep it simple. Don't make big changes. Make subtle changes. Keep it simple. Big changes are hard to sustain. Subtle changes, small and simple changes, those are things that you can get done quickly, and they're easily sustained or maintained over time. It's something that you can do day in, day out. So think simple change. What is that one thing that you can do that's not going to take you days and days to figure out? What is that one change that you can make today that could make a difference? What do you need to stop doing that's not helping you? What do you need to start doing that you know could help you? Think of something simple and execute. The second rule that I wrote down is we got to forget about what the market was. It's insignificant. Like before the market was hot, the market was cold. And before the market was cold, it was hot. That's how the markets go. I've been through so many of these cycles. And what we have to do tomorrow is not going to be influenced by what we had to do yesterday. That's a different market. So what we got to do is we got to let it go, move on, and go ahead and think forward. It's all about forward thinking. Let's focus today looking through the windshield, not through the review mirror. And the third rule is you got to hold yourself accountable. It's you got to make a commitment to making a subtle change, a simple change. Make a commitment, but hold yourself accountable. Like actually show up and do whatever it is that you need to change, whatever that simple adjustment is. You got to hold yourself accountable. It's that personal accountability that's going to get you your breakthrough. Now, you could ask, well, what kind of changes should I make? What are simple? Here's a simple change I wrote down. How about block out some time for lead generation? Whether it's 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever that time frame is, be intentional and block out some time to focus on lead generation every day. That's simple. That's something that you can do. The next thing that I have here is you've got to engage in coaching. This is the time where you need to be resourceful. Tap into companies or coaching companies or coaches that can help you. That's what I do in our company. I'm coaching and training agents throughout the state of South Carolina and North Carolina on how to build their businesses. Right now, we're turning a lot of attention towards how to get more listings. So I'd welcome to talk to you about that type of coaching. And if not, then go out there and get with a coach. Help them work with you. Partner with a company that can help you grow, or a coach that can help you grow, that can think with you. So you're not all by yourself. And then, of course, you've got to surround yourself with people that are being the solution for themselves. Because that's it. We're either going to be the solution or we're going to be part of our problem. Let's be part of our solution. And the best way to get into that mindset is by surrounding yourself with other people that are like-minded. Right now, it's tough. There's a lot of negativity. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of uncertainty in the real estate space, while at the same time, there's agents all across the country that are having some of their best years. I've got agents in my office that are taking 20, 30 listings just in the past 4 months. They're like getting 10 plus listings a month. That's happening right now. But we've got to block out time for lead generation. We've got to make sure that we're involved in coaching, and we've got to surround ourselves with people that are focusing on those very things. So keep it simple. Changing something changes everything. I sure hope that helps. I'm Greg Harrelson. Please reach out to me if I can ever do anything for you. If you'd like to have a kind of a call and to see how maybe I might be able to help you break through and get through this tougher market, then please reach out to me. You have a great day. Bye-bye.